Hello, good evening, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana. I am coming with case study number 7. Learn with fun. This is based on coordinate geometry. And you know there are three formulas: section formula, distance formula, midpoint formula, SDM Saab. So these are three formulas here, and these will be used in this case study, and you are requested to please remember these formulas properly so that you are able to attempt the question in your exam with quite ease. So I shall be coming up with the notes on sports day activity in a school case study, and here are my notes which you will find they are explained very nicely. Hello friends, I am here with my notes. Look here, sports day activity in school. This is the case study. Firstly, I'll read this case study and then we will go with the solution. In sports day activities of DPS, the lines are drawn with chalk powder. Look here, these are the lines which have been drawn in a rectangular shape. O, B, C, D. This is O, B, C, and D. So each line is half meter distance from each other. Half meter, half meter, half meter, half meter. These are 11. So 11 half. That is 5.5. 60 flower pots. Flower pot number 1, 2, 3, and so on. 60 flower pots have been placed at a distance of half meter each along OD. This is OD. Now, Yamini runs 1/4 of the distance OD, 1/4 of 60. That is 15 will be here. This much is 15. Look here. This is 15. In the third lane. And makes a red, this is a red flower. And makes a red flower. Kamala runs, look here, in the seventh line and makes a yellow flower. This is the yellow flower. So we have to attempt the following questions. Find the position of red and yellow flowers. This is red flower, this is yellow flower. It is 3 here. So they are half meter each. So 3 का half कितना हो जाएगा? 1.5. And it is 1/4 of this. 1/4 of this is 15. So coordinates will become coordinates of this x will be 1.5, 15. And that of y, this is 3.5, 12. 7 है, इसका हाफ कर दीजिए 3.5 और it is 1/5, 1/5 is 12th. So coordinates will become like this. Second part is find distance between x and y. Apply the distance formula. So from here to here, this is 3.5, 12. And this is 1.5, 15. And distance will become √13 by applying the distance formula. Now, what is the length of the rectangle OBCD? This is 11. half of 11. This is half meter each. So 5.5 meter. Now, what is the area of the rectangle? Area of rectangular field OBCD is length into breadth. Length we have already calculated. This is 5.5 and breadth is there are 60 and they are half meter each. So 60 into half, this is 30. 30 into 5.5 is 165 meter square. What is the length of the rectangular distance, diagonal distance? What is the length of the diagonal of this rectangle? This is 0, 0. This is 5.5, comma 30. So let us find the distance 0, 0, 5.5, comma 30, and on applying the distance formula, the distance will come 30.5. That's all. Very easy questions are there, and you have to understand the case properly so that you are able to attempt the question correctly. Thank you very much. Go on viewing my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night.